Join the movement. Unlocking the power of collective action. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language and its phrases. Today, we're exploring a phrase that's as inspiring as it is common: join the movement. Understanding this phrase not only enriches your English vocabulary but also connects you to the broader context in which language operates: social change, advocacy, and community building. Let's delve into what it means, how it's used, and why it matters. Join the movement is a phrase that invites or encourages someone to become part of a group or effort focused on a particular cause or goal. The word movement in this context refers to a collective effort by people who are striving to achieve change or make a difference in society. This could relate to social, political, environmental, or economic issues. The invitation to join is not just about membership. It's a call to action, participation, and commitment. Movements have the power to bring about significant change. They are built on the foundation of shared beliefs, goals, and a desire for improvement. When we talk about joining a movement, we're talking about becoming part of something larger than ourselves. It's a way of expressing solidarity, offering support, and working together towards a common goal. Examples of movements can range from civil rights and environmental sustainability to digital privacy and beyond. Using join the movement in conversation or writing implies a call to action. It's most effective when you are trying to mobilize support, raise awareness, or encourage participation in a cause. Here are a few tips on using it effectively. Be clear about the cause. Make sure people understand what the movement is about. Convey the impact. Highlight how joining the movement can make a difference. Invite actively. Use it in contexts where people can take immediate action, such as signing a petition, attending a meeting, or sharing information. The phrase, join the movement, carries with it cultural and social implications. It suggests a society in which people have the power to organize, advocate, and effect change. It reflects the human desire for progress, justice, and community. Understanding this phrase gives us insight into how language can inspire and mobilize people towards common goals. Thank you for joining us today as we explored the meaning and significance of join the movement. We hope this video has not only expanded your English vocabulary but also inspired you to think about the roles we can play in the movements that matter to us. Remember, every big change starts with small steps, and your voice and actions can contribute to making a difference. Stay curious, stay inspired, and perhaps join a movement that speaks to you. See you in our next video.